In this video, I'm going to review how to divide fractions. So in the first example, we have 1/9 divided by 2/5, and there's really no good way to divide by a fraction other than we know that it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, which is when you flip the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to rewrite this as 1/9 multiplied by this number, but flipping the numerator and the denominator, so it's 5/2. And then once I have that, I'm ready to just multiply as I have shown in the other video. So nothing's going to cross cancel because 5 and 9 don't have any common factors, and neither do 1 and 2. So 1 times 5 is 5, 9 times 2 is 18, and this is a fraction in simplest form because 5 and 18 don't have any common factors, and so I am finished. In this next example, and I wanted to show an example of this, and I could have shown a mixed number in the multiplication review video as well, but I didn't. But if you are trying to multiply a mixed number or divide a mixed number, you want to first rewrite it as an improper fraction. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 1, which gives me 5, and then adding 2 gives me 7. So it'd be 7/5. And the reason that that works, once again, is because one whole has 5/5. So multiplying this tells me how many fifths are in my whole number, plus the 2 that you have that didn't quite make a whole number. Okay, so I rewrote 1 and 2/5 as 7/5, and then I know that dividing by 4/7 is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, so I'm going to flip the numerator and the denominator and write 7 in the numerator, 4 in the denominator, and so I've now changed it into a multiplication problem, and I'm ready to multiply. So 7 times 7 is 49, 5 times 4 is 20. And you're free to change that into a mixed number if you want. However, it's simpler to just leave it as an improper fraction. But if you want to change it into a mixed number, you can. It's not wrong if you write it as 2 and 9/20, but 49/20 is sufficient.